welcome to Ben Max Motors. Here today we have this beautiful Audi S3 TFSI Sportback model. It's a petrol automatic in a beautiful white colour, added with the black alloys, which are 18-inch and are in very good condition. Coming in with just over 55,000 miles on the clock, with 7 service stamps, 2 being a main dealer. This offers a great blend of practicality, premium styling and power with its turbocharged 2-litre automatic engine, offering an impressive 296 brake horsepower. The car is in great condition inside and out and looks great in white with the added black alloys, which again are in very good condition themselves. Moving inside, all electric windows, electric mirrors, height adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, as well as the added thigh extension, adjustable headrests, all leather interior with the S3 badging on the front seats there as well, and with the S3 trim. Inside, and as you can see there, just over 55,000 miles there on the clock. All your steering controls, cluster screen, also has voice recognition for the sat nav, which is on there. It's going to be a hands-free Bluetooth, radio, as well as your Bluetooth media there as well. Screen does also pop up and down, so if you don't want that out, you don't have to. Just come with dual zone climate control settings with heated seats in the front, suspension automatic gearbox with the sport option there as well. For your screen controls here, your menu, automatic parking brake with auto hold. It's also come with the start stop option there as well, which you can turn off. It also does come with the drive select with your dynamic, individual, efficiency and comfort, and the auto there as well. It's also come with the cruise control with speed limiter. It's also come with the flappy paddles here at the back if you wanted to go into manual mode. Height adjustable armrest, which you can set for yourself. A little bit of storage under there with a locking wheel nut, as well as a power cable for the iPhones. As you can see, there's plenty of space in there as well. Very nice, clean, tidy vehicle. No tears or rips on any of the seats. A little bit of wear and tear just due to its age. And in the back we have privacy glass on the back. Net storage on the back of the front seats there as well. You can see the cars come up very nice, clean and tidy. Height adjustable headrests. The seats are a 60-40 split there as well on the back. And into the boot, opening up into a generous sized boot space with a little bit of storage here on the side there as well. One with the space saver spare wheel under there as well. Parcel shelf. This is a beautiful car. Very nice smooth drive with the added extra power there as well for the boost. Again, height adjustable passenger seat, adjustable headrests, thigh extension there as well. There we are, 2015 Audi S3 TFSI Sportback model. 2 litre petrol automatic in a beautiful white colour here now at Ben Max Motors. It's come with 2 keys and a 12-month warranty. Thank you for watching.